Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game and SDK versions so you know what to change. Mismatched builds cause most voice failures. Once done, backup config and voice files to avoid data loss and enable detailed logs and USB debugging to collect errors. Now open the SDK manager and stop the voice service. This resets state without reinstalling the whole app. Make sure to record error codes shown in the log. They guide the next steps. You now update the voice engine and native libraries to the exact SDK build required by the game. Mismatched binaries crash audio channels. Then re-enter the API key, app ID, and region values in the SDK config so authentication aligns with server endpoints. After that, check Android/iOS permissions for microphone, network, and background audio because missing permissions block capture or push streams. If you see, you finish by restarting the app, clearing cache, and running the SDK's built-in voice diagnostics to confirm capture, encode, and network send. Test both one-to-one and group channels to isolate session handling versus transport issues and measure latency and packet loss. If problems persist, switch transport protocol between UDP and TCP and retest. This often resolves NAT or firewall-related drops. Finally, collect full logs and the error codes you noted earlier so you can escalate or apply a targeted patch. This single troubleshooting step saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.